I'm Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see how to use batch print option in ETAP. When the project is very large, we use composite network and composite motor options for better visibility in the project. And if all the composite network pages are to be printed, use batch print option. Let's see how to use it. Go to File, Batch Print. Choose all the network under the OLV if any. Select Global Based Print option. Give OK. Select the entire diagram. Give OK all. Now, let's see how to use batch print for multiple relay graphs. Move from OLV to Star Systems. Again go to File, Batch Print. Star Batch Print window will pop up. Give Select All. Choose Global Based Print Setup. OK. Choose Entire Diagram and give OK All. Now, all the graphs will be printed in a single click. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video.